Now I feel like I'm probably one of the only people to unbox this in Canada because I looked everywhere and I couldn't find it. Like it sold out on Amazon, sold out on Best Buy, but I was able to place an order yesterday on Best Buy, and to my surprise, it just shipped today. So very excited to be unboxing it. Now the reason why I bought this is because I love wearing traditional watches, but I also love fitness. I wanted to track my workouts and I wanted to track the sports that I'm playing without getting the screens in my way. I don't really like a lot of information on my wrist because I already think we are so indulged in our daily lives and our phones that sometimes you just want to step away. So this is the reason why I ordered it, and let's see how this band looks and how it performs. And later on I will be doing a full review for this, my experience after wearing it for a couple of weeks. So please subscribe if you want to watch that too. Right off the top, right, if you see here, it says Amazfit Helio Strap. And if we go on the side, it has the socials on there, right? Official wearable technology and timing partner, it says here. Now I know they did release something with Hyrox, but this is not that version. This is a new version that's just come out. If we go back, it does show that it runs using the Zepp OS app that I'm probably gonna have to download on my iPhone. And then it has some codes down here. And on the side, you can see that it has the Amazfit. So let's unbox this thing for us and let's see how it looks. All right, so not not a very clean unboxing. So here we're opening the box, very minimal. We have the band right here. I'm gonna put it on the side for a second and let's see what else is in the box. So full disclosure, I did have to pause the video for a little bit to figure out how to open these two little flappers here. But now, yeah, I figured them out. So if you open this here, again, wait, I think I ripped it off a little bit. And if you open this here, what we're gonna get here, I feel like, is the charger. Oh, that looks really beautiful. As you can see here, I think it's probably gonna just snap onto it. Yes, and at the back it says Amazfit, which is nice. We're gonna put this on the side too for a second. And here in the second pocket we have this Amazfit guide, which I'm sure we're not gonna read at all, so I'm gonna put this on the side as well. So to get this box out of the way, I'm just gonna say that it's a very minimal box, right? It has all the good stuff, nothing extra. I'm gonna strip this off, open it, and have the first look. Oh wow, this actually looks beautiful. Now I have used Whoop in the past, but it was a little too expensive for me, so I wanted to get this band because it's about 139 bucks in Canada. If you include the taxes, that comes out to be about 155, and it doesn't need any subscription like the Whoops. I'm really glad that there's some competition that is being introduced in the market. So if you see on the side, we're gonna take it off, and here it says Amazfit. I'm gonna open it. This actually looks very durable. I like the band as well. I think it's gonna be a little breathable because I play a lot of sports, especially cricket. So we'll see how that goes, but I'm gonna take this little sticker off here as well. And we're gonna try to put it on the wrist on the camera, and let's see how that goes. So here it is, guys. It's on the wrist. Looks pretty nice. I have pretty small wrists, so it's fitting in perfectly fine. And also it doesn't seem too heavy, but I'm gonna lighten it up just a bit. So here it is, Amazfit's band. And now I'm gonna download the app and see how the metrics look on this thing. We're gonna now connect our band to the phone. So I'm gonna select band. Do we agree? Yes, we agree. The band has no screen. Perfect. So pair Amazfit Helio Strap. Please place the smart band on the charging dock and ensure the dock is powered on. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, so I've just put my band on the charging dock and I've plugged it in. So I'm gonna click next. Now it's searching for the band. So here it has found the band, and now we're gonna click on pair. Allow location. Okay, so the device initialization is complete. Now we're gonna click on done. So BioCharge tracks your body's energy throughout the day using different metrics. For example, your recovery, resting heart rate, sleep, HRV, etc. So excited to see how this looks. And for this, we do have to wear our band for the entire day. And here we go. It did come up with 64% of charging, and the update is available. So I'm gonna go ahead and update the software, but I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna be making the review soon, as I said before. So if you want to see that, please guys subscribe and like this and press the bell icon. Take care. Peace.